Hey there, tech troubleshooters. If you're here, you're probably dealing with a super frustrating issue. Your TV volume keeps going down on its own. Whether you're trying to enjoy your favorite show or just listen to some tunes, this can be a real buzzkill. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll walk you through some quick and easy steps to fix that annoying volume problem
on your Insignia Smart TV.
once and for all. Let's get started. Step 1. Check the remote. First things first, let's make sure your remote control isn't the culprit. Sometimes stuck buttons or low batteries can cause the volume to decrease on its own. Grab your remote and try this. Remove the batteries, press all the buttons a few times to ensure nothing's stuck, and then pop in some fresh batteries. Now, turn your TV back on and see if the issue persists. Step 2. Disable auto volume. Next, let's dive into the TV settings. TVs have an auto volume feature that's supposed to keep the volume level consistent, but sometimes it can malfunction and cause the volume to drop unexpectedly. To disable it, press the menu button on your remote, navigate to Sound Settings, and then look for Auto Volume. If it's on, go ahead and turn it off. Give your TV a test run. This might just solve your problem. Step 3. Check for external devices. Still no luck? Let's check if any external devices are causing the issue. If you've got a soundbar, gaming console, or any other devices connected to your TV, they could be interfering with the volume settings. Try disconnecting each device one by one and see if the volume stabilizes. If disconnecting a device solves the problem, you may need to adjust its audio settings or update its firmware. Step 4. Perform a soft reset. If the volume issue is still happening, it might be time for a soft reset. This is a simple yet effective way to fix minor glitches. Unplug your TV from the power outlet, wait for about 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Turn your TV back on and see if the volume issue is gone. A soft reset can clear any temporary bugs in the system. Step 5. Update the TV firmware. If the problem persists, let's check if your TV's firmware is up to date. Sometimes software bugs can cause these issues, and a firmware update might just have the fix you need. Go to Settings, then Support, and select Software Update. If there's an update available, install it and let your TV restart. After the update, check if the volume issue is resolved. And there you have it. 5 simple steps to fix that pesky TV volume problem. Hopefully, one of these solutions worked for you. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Still having issues? Drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and happy viewing.